To create up, down, left, and right keyboard movement in Scratch, we first need to have a character. I have a nanobot here. And then we need to go into the codes panel and click a when green flag clicked and drag it into our coding area. Next, what we can do is go to the control blocks and grab a forever block. The forever block will run code forever. So anything inside of this little mouth of the forever loop will run over and over again as fast as it can. Next, we are going to make sure we check to see if keys on the keyboard are being pressed. And since we're using 4 keys, up, down, left, and right, I'm going to grab 4 if blocks. Next, what I'm going to do is plug in what I want the keyboard keys to be for when we want to move our character. And obviously I want up, down, left, and right from the keyboard. We can grab those from sensing. Inside of sensing, there should be a key space pressed. I'll grab that one. We'll start off with this up arrow in the first if statement. And then we will place 1 for each. And we'll use down arrow. Then we'll do a right arrow and a left arrow. So all 4 arrow keys have their own if condition block. Next, we're going to go into motion, and I'm going to grab a change Y by block, because when we're moving up and down, we want to use change Y to move our character up 10 pixels. Now 10 is a bit high, I'm going to slow it down to 5. If I want to go down, I would do the same thing, except a -5. And then for right arrow and left arrow, we're going to use the change X blocks. A right arrow to 5 and a left arrow to -5. Next, what I'm going to do is click my green flag up here at the top right to start my project and use the arrow keys on my keyboard, and you'll notice we have a moving character. Additionally, for a more advanced movement, we can make our character look left and right as we press those keys. To do that, we can grab the point and direction block and plug them into the right arrow and left arrow conditions. So if I press the right arrow, I'm going to want to point to the right. And if I click on the left arrow, I will want to point to the left. Now I can try that out, and you might see them look left and right. If your character goes upside down, you may need to add in a set rotation style to left-right. If this was set to all around, you would notice your character flipping. Then you'll have to switch it to left and right. And now they don't flip. All right. To learn more about creating video games, programming, building robots, and so many other awesome STEM topics, you can go to www.digitaladventures.com. Thank you for watching, and happy coding!